What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video because this is a collaboration with my amazing nail sister Raven. We are going to be featuring Madam Glam's House of Light collection as well as many other Madam Glam goodies. So I'm going to be putting all of Raven's information down below. Make sure to watch her video after you watch this one, and please show us some love by liking our videos and subscribing to our channels. I'm not going to be explaining what I'm doing in this video because I want to give Raven a shout out and tell you guys a little bit about her. But basically what I did for this nail set was I created a different scene for each nail. We wanted to do a silhouette art to better showcase the beautiful colors from Madam Glam. So all I did was I created different ombre combinations on each nail. I followed it up with Sparkly Rain, which is a beautiful glittery matte top coat. And for my silhouettes, I use stamping plates because I cannot draw to save my life. So I decided to do stamping, and I used the black stamping polish from Maniology. Also, I decided I wanted to put a little twist to this set, and so I made them glow in the dark. I used glow-in-the-dark pigments that I recently bought from Shein, and I mixed them in with the corresponding colors. I made sure that I added a good amount of pigment because I really wanted these nails to glow. And I made sure to show you guys here in the video how I mixed everything up, and I did use a base coat to help with blending the powder in with the gels. This set came out absolutely perfect because I wanted to make these backgrounds light up. I was so excited that these came out exactly how I imagined, so I hope you guys like it. Like I mentioned, this is a collab with my dear friend and nail sister Raven. She goes by Raven's Reviews here on YouTube and Raven's Nail Bar on Instagram. Raven and I are both Madam Glam fanatics as well as actual affiliates for the brand. And I actually found Raven through a Madam Glam live. I kept seeing her pop up in every live, and everyone would always say hi to her, and she spoke with everyone. So I was curious, like, who is this girl? So I added her, and then I had commented or liked one of her posts, and she hit me up afterwards, and our friendship has just been developing ever since. If you don't know who she is, you are missing out. She is a nail enthusiast like me, and she's been doing this for the last 2 years. She is self-taught, all self-taught. I would never have thought that she'd only been doing this for 2 years because her work is like amazing. She's such a natural, and I told her, you definitely were meant to do this. So here's her Instagram page, and as you can see, it is so full of amazing nail content. Some of my most favorite sets of hers are the hand-drawn sets because they are so good, and I know she loves doing the character art, and she was giving me some advice because I was telling her that I cannot draw to save my life. So this collab is very special to me because this is my first official collab ever with another creator. I was so excited and honored that she asked me to do this. She is such a genuine and kind person, and this collab was perfect to represent how I see her. We're calling this collab Light in the Dark, and Raven is definitely a light that shines so bright. I've gotten to know Raven, and she is so strong and always positive, even when she's dealing with personal difficulties. She just has such a way of bringing a calmness over you. She is very great with her words, and she makes me smile all the time. Just so you guys know, this is going to be the first of many collabs between us, and I cannot wait to do this again. So I hope you guys like the nail sets that we created, and please go check out all of Raven's socials and watch her video to see the gorgeous set that she did for this collab. It is so beautiful. I love the set that she created, so go show her some love. And again, I'm going to be putting all of her information in the description. I'll probably pin a comment with all of her information. We both have discount codes with Madam Glam, so I'm going to make sure to include both of our codes as well. feel free to choose whichever one you want to use. And yeah, also, I'm rocking some space buns, and I'm sure Raven knows why, but I decided to do this in honor of her because the photo that she sent me to use for this collab, she's rocking space buns, and so I thought, this is kind of cute, so I figured why not. So I hope you like it, Raven. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. I hope you guys enjoy this collab. Go say hi to Raven for me, let her know that you came from my channel, and thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you, and I hope that you do subscribe and join my family. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.